Well, hello everyone, I'm back, the new proud American conservative with more important info not too many of you can stomach. So President Trump is now going to have military go around and provide vaccines, right? They're not calling them mandatory vaccines, but a lot of you already know that there is a very good chance you're not going to be able to have your kids go to school unless they are vaccinated. There is a good chance you're not going to be able to fly unless you're vaccinated, or buy groceries. You might have to show proof of vaccination. So you tell me if that doesn't sound like mandatory. You just may not be in your face as mandatory. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to make a quick video today. And I will post the link down below so you guys can check it out yourself. Also, very concerning news out of China now, which is all connected with what's been going on lately in Russia and United States. They are banning now, the Bank of China is making it basically impossible for Chinese to trade gold, platinum, palladium, and silver. I believe I mentioned platinum twice, but you guys get the idea. So this is coming out of China at the same time when Putin said you can't trade cryptocurrencies in Russia. Basically, he's banning Bitcoin. And then everybody knows President Trump is banning TikTok in the United States. All happening at the same time. I believe this is very important. I believe once you start allowing these bureaucrats, these freaks, yes, they're all freaks in my opinion. Once you start allowing them to ban certain apps because of national security, it just reminds me what COVID is doing now. It reminds me back on what the government was able to do with Patriot Act for your own safety. Like, give me a break. What is Twitter doing in China? Their headquarters are in China. What is Google doing? What is Zuckerberg doing? Why are they not being banned from United States to use their app? Why is all this okay? Let me tell you why. Number one reason is the stock market, okay? Apple Friday, was the main driver of the entire stock market. Most indexes were up 1% or down 1% or 2%, but Apple was shooting up big and it brought the entire market up with Apple. Why is this important? It's because it's the election year. Why is all of this again important? Because the Wall Street continues to make bigger gap between the Main Street. Who did President Trump bail out? He did not bail out the Main Street. Small businesses got decimated. It was the big corporations that got bailed out. So these are all facts, right? So I'm just pointing out certain things that a lot of you missed. Again, I will post all these links down below so you can check it out yourself. I believe if you don't have certain commodities, hard tangible assets in your own possession, it is going to get tougher and tougher to do anything. Because what is stopping, let's say, President Trump to ban trading something else instead of just tech stocks? He can just say tomorrow, instead of TikTok, I'm just going to ban you trading Bitcoin. You can't trade this gold mine. You can't trade this sector. You can only do this. Or if you do it, you're going to get taxed through the nose. You're going to pay more than if you made a profit on your trade. I mean, this is just opening a can of worms. It's a major problem. But hey, a lot of people are just making fun of it like it's no big deal. Yeah, TikTok has a lot of booty shaking on it. What a joke of an app. Yeah, that might be true. But then again, there is a lot of stuff on TikTok that I thought it was rather interesting. People were talking about what Bill Gates' agenda is with vaccinations on TikTok. When I was like, there is no way this is true. Now it is true. Pedophilia ring exposed. Average people like me and you talk about it on TikTok. You can set your algorithms on TikTok and you're going to get a lot of interesting content. My wife found a lot of recipes that we enjoyed on TikTok that were better than most books we have at home for cooking books. And she's a Southern girl. She can cook. So I don't know. I mean, you guys tell me what you think about this. I find it, as you can tell, very alarming, and I think this is just going to cause a lot more regulations, just like Patriot Act did. and it's still doing. And obviously what happened with COVID, a lot of you know this. So I continue preparing. I walk the walk. You guys can see the unboxing of precious metals I did on my videos. I showed you some of my gun collections. I showed you certain things. Now I'm in the middle of, I'm closing a deal for land. I'm looking for over 40 acres of land to close pretty soon here, productive land. I'm gonna have some of my own livestock, vegetable garden, whatever. I'm gonna figure it out. Don't know much about it. Got a lot of books from the library, gonna start reading. I believe it's a must. I lived in the city for a long time. I lived in big cities like Chicago, Las Vegas, you name it. I'm good. I had my fun, if you can call it fun. I'm ready to really get off the grid a little bit and see how that works out for me. And that's my plan. So I walk the walk, and I will be making videos from this farm. I think it's going to be hilarious, actually, when you see someone like me trying to maybe milk a cow. I can't even believe I'm saying this, but yeah. But who knows? Hey, AOC may, ban cows now because of cow farts and all this stuff. So, you can only do what you can do. But the bottom line is, I want to have stuff that I can see, I can feel, I can step on, like land. I want to hold ammo in my hand. I want to hold gold in my hand. I don't want to own just ETFs or have it on paper. And I also don't want to only own paper currency, dollar, yen, whatever it is. I don't want to just transact in that. I like cryptocurrencies a lot. I believe there is so much to cryptocurrencies, as a lot of you do, and it would be such a shame right now that government issues their own whatever crypto, digital dollar, Fed coin, whatever it is, and bans Bitcoin. This is why I'm really worried about what's going on with TikTok, and I think a lot of you can understand my worry / frustration. So take care. I'm gonna do my video tomorrow when it comes to stock picks. If you're interested in that, I have in and out procedure, which sector, exact which stock I'm going in, and when I'm taking profits out. And I use 20 to 30% of that into hard tangible assets like gold and silver, including platinum. Lots of ammo as well. That is correct. So again, take care. God bless you all. We'll talk tomorrow.